how to import contacts from Outlook to Gmail, or how you can transfer your Outlook contacts to Gmail. In this video tutorial I'm going to show you. Okay, so guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can do this. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. So first, come to the Outlook here. Okay, just come to the Outlook, and now go to the file, tap on file, go to the open and export. Here you can see the import and export tab on it, and now you have to export your file in import. Okay, export the files. Okay, click on export to the export to a file, click on next, click on common separate value. Here you have to select the contacts. If you're using more than one mailbox or contacts, then I will show you how I can do this. Okay, you can see I have used two mailbox here, so I want to export contacts from this mailbox. So I just expand it, go to the contacts and click on next. Now you can browse the location where you want to save it. So I want to save here, so I just rename it and save in separate comma value and just click on OK. So now just click on next, and you can map the custom field if you want. You can add custom field here and just click on finish. Then your contact will be export. Now you have to close the Outlook. After close the Outlook, come to the Gmail, open your Gmail account and go to the contacts, or you can go contacts from here also. Okay, just click on contacts. Now select the folder where, or labels where you want to import these contacts, which we just export from Outlook. So I just create new label for Outlook contacts. If you want, you can create new groups, or okay, just create it. Now just select these labels and go to the imports, and here Outlook contacts. Okay, I just selected Outlook contacts. Okay, so go to the select file, and now I think, okay, in downloads I create contacts, and this is I just created. Just select this downloaded file, click on OK and just import. So you can see all contacts will be import here. It will be takes few seconds here. Okay, you can see all done and it is imported in Outlook contacts only, you can see. And also create a by default folder that imported on this date. You can delete it. Okay, keep all contacts and delete these labels. Delete all contacts and delete these labels. Keep all contacts and delete this label. Okay, this is label. Okay, keep all contact, delete these labels. Then your created labels will be create. Okay, or you can do one thing. After import everything, the by default label will create. You can just rename it and just rename Outlook contacts. In my video I create first folder, then I just import. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.